What's up, fellow traders? Welcome back to another day trading recap. So the big news today was inflation data. So the CPI data came out today and it showed that inflation climbed to 7.5%. That's just insane number, right? So if you look at this report from the New York Times, it says consumer price index data for January released Thursday showed that prices have climbed 7.5% over the past year, more than the 7.2% projected in a Bloomberg survey. On a monthly basis, they pick up 0.6%. So obviously that's a huge catalyst. So coming in today, I was looking for shorts either in the tech sector or in the banking sector. I know that's kind of counterintuitive. You know, there's a common belief out there that high interest rate is better for the banks. I happen to think that that's not necessarily the case, and I think it's a lot more complicated than that. But onto the setup. So I was basically looking for confluence between the different time frames, and I found Bank of America had a very interesting level at the $50 level. So you can see over here, I think this was January 10th. It came to this $50 level and it rejected strongly. So that's the first indication that $50 level might be resistance. And if you look at the last 2 days, right over here, so let me draw this out. So right over here, the last 2 days, they had these nice reverse hammer candles. And what you can see is clearly is that $50 level. They had 2 days trying to push above this level and it just couldn't do it. It just couldn't do it. So that's my first indication that that's a strong resistance point. And today in the pre-market, you can tell when the CPI data came out, it had a strong push, but again, it got stuffed at this $50 level. I mean, you have 7.5% inflation data, which is supposedly be good for banks, and it still couldn't, with heavy volume, still couldn't push past this $50 level. So for me, at this point, it was clear. It was clear that the $50 level was going to be resistance, at least for 1 or 2 tries once the market opened. So once the market opened, it came up to this $50 level right here. I shorted it right off this level. So I shorted right off this level. I had a stop around here. I had a nice 2R win right off the bat. And I cover around, this was around, I would say 75% of my shares. I left 25% for hoping to get this move over here. That I was kind of expecting a move like this. But unfortunately, I got busy. I just had to set a range order and I missed this move. But again, just for summary, look for confluence between different time frames and look for those key resistance and support levels. And you can take, for example, today on Bank of America was at 50. Based on the daily, based on the pre-market action, it was pretty clear today. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the big move, but I live to trade another day, right? So hope you guys like it, and see you guys next time.